Let's discuss top smart gadgets to upgrade your apartment. All gadgets links in comment and description. Let's start the video. EVLA's Baby Food Maker. This all-in-one steamer, blender, and food processor makes prepping healthy, homemade baby food a breeze. Imagine steaming veggies, blending fruits, or pureeing meats all in one device, ensuring your little one gets fresh, nutritious meals. With its simple touch screen control, you can adjust steaming times and blending speeds to get the perfect consistency for your baby's needs. Pros: it's incredibly easy to use with one-touch controls, versatile for making various food textures, and saves time with its self-cleaning feature. It's also BPA-free, keeping your baby's food safe from harmful chemicals. Cons: the device is made of plastic, and although it's durable, some users may prefer more eco-friendly materials. Also, at 120 watts, it may take slightly longer to steam larger batches of food. Next, Millennium Premium Electronic Chessboard Set, a sleek combination of cutting-edge tech and timeless design. With handcrafted wooden chess pieces and a smooth, high-sensitivity touchboard, this set offers a premium playing experience for both kids and adults. It comes with 81 LEDs to guide your moves and a built-in AI that ranges from beginner to master levels, making it perfect for learning new strategies or challenging yourself with human-like gameplay. Pros: the luxurious wooden design gives it a classic feel, while its advanced AI and customizable settings make it perfect for players of all skill levels. It's also a fantastic study tool with options to save games and replay them later. Cons: with such advanced features, the price may be a bit steep for casual players, and the touch-sensitive board, while responsive, might take some getting used to for those more familiar with traditional chess sets. Next, Govee Wi-Fi Water Sensor. This 3-pack smart water leak detector is perfect for monitoring areas like your basement or bathroom for leaks before they become a big problem. It connects to your phone via Wi-Fi, sending real-time alerts through email and app notifications when a leak is detected, even when you're away. With its 100 dB alarm and adjustable volume settings, you'll be sure to hear it anywhere in your home. Plus, you can connect up to 10 sensors at once, allowing you to cover multiple areas. Drip and leak detection is easy with front and back probes, and you can mute the alarm once you've found the leak. Pros: it provides instant notifications wherever you are, has adjustable volume options, and can monitor multiple locations simultaneously. It's perfect for peace of mind, especially in high-risk areas like basements. Cons: it only supports 2.4G Wi-Fi, not 5G, and some users may find the alarm a bit too loud for smaller spaces. Next, Greenlife 3-in-1 Breakfast Maker Station. This compact all-in-one machine lets you whip up a full breakfast feast without juggling multiple pans. With dual ceramic non-stick griddles on top, you can cook eggs, bacon, pancakes, or veggies simultaneously, while the bonus bread drawer toasts 2 slices at once. The healthy ceramic non-stick coating ensures your food won't stick and is free of harmful chemicals like PFAS and PFOA. Plus, the built-in timer takes the guesswork out of your cooking, and the tempered glass lid lets you watch your meal without losing heat. Pros: it's an all-in-one design that saves time and space, with non-stick ceramic griddles that are easy to clean and free from harmful chemicals. The built-in toast drawer and timer are handy extras that make cooking a breeze. Cons: it's a manual device, so no digital controls, and the 2-slice toast drawer may feel limiting if you need more toast for larger families. Next, Thermometer Ring, a game-changing wearable designed to make fertility tracking seamless. This sleek, rechargeable ring monitors your body temperature in real time while you sleep, syncing automatically with the thermometer app to generate personalized fertility charts. Say goodbye to traditional thermometers because this ring takes thousands of readings throughout the night for highly accurate ovulation and period predictions. Not only does it help with fertility, but it also tracks your sleep patterns, giving you customized insights to improve your rest. Plus, it's waterproof and lasts up to 5 days on a single charge. Just make sure to use the sizing kit to get the perfect fit before purchasing. Pros: continuous tracking for high accuracy, no interruptions to your sleep, and insightful sleep analysis. The app sync and long battery life make it super convenient. Cons: you'll need to purchase a sizing kit separately before buying the ring, and it might not appeal to those who prefer non-wearable devices. Which gadget do you like the most? I'd love to know your choice, so comment below. Next, Artograph Easy Tracer Opaque Art Projector, a simple but effective tool for enlarging and tracing your designs onto walls, canvases, or other surfaces. This lightweight, portable projector uses a 163mm optical glass lens to project flat artwork from 2 to 10 times its original size. Whether you're working on murals, classroom projects, or personal art, the Easy Tracer makes transferring your designs quick and easy. Just note that it's not digital, so you'll need to work in a darkroom for the clearest image. It's a great tool for hobbyists and professionals alike, but remember, you'll need to purchase a compatible LED bulb separately for the best performance. Pros: super portable, easy to use, and ideal for enlarging flat artwork onto larger surfaces. Perfect for educational settings, art projects, or murals. Cons: it's not digital, so it can't project from a phone or tablet, and requires a dark room for optimal clarity. The bulb isn't included, so you'll need to grab a compatible one separately. Next, Kasa Smart Light Switch HES 200P3, an easy-to-install single-pole switch that brings smart lighting control to your fingertips. With no need for a hub and compatibility with Alexa and Google Home, this switch lets you control your lights from anywhere using the Kasa app, whether you're at home, the office, or even on vacation. It's perfect for hands-free voice control, making it super convenient when your hands are full or when you're entering a dark room. Plus, the scheduling feature allows you to set timers or countdowns for your lights to turn on and off automatically, even mimicking occupancy when you're away to enhance security. Pros: easy installation, no hub required, voice control via Alexa or Google Assistant, and convenient scheduling and away modes for added security. It's also UL certified for reliability and safety. Cons: it requires a neutral wire, and it only works with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, so it may not be compatible with all home networks. Next, Bisharia Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. This innovative gadget takes the hassle out of cat care with its advanced self-cleaning mechanism, ensuring your feline friends always have a fresh, hygienic litter box, equipped with a cutting-edge odor elimination system. It neutralizes unpleasant smells and keeps your home inviting, all while being eco-friendly and cost-effective. No more constant litter changes. This automatic litter box minimizes waste and helps save money on supplies. Pros: effortless cleaning, advanced odor control, eco-friendly and cost-saving, quiet operation, and built-in safety features for your cat. Cons: the initial investment may be higher than traditional litter boxes, and some cats may take time to adjust to the automatic cleaning feature. Next, ultra-quiet wall-mounted garage door opener, a game-changer for your garage. This innovative opener features a space-saving wall-mounted design that not only frees up valuable ceiling space, but also significantly reduces noise and vibrations in your living areas, making it perfect for homes where the garage is close to the living room or bedrooms. The ultra-quiet operation means you can come and go without disturbing your family, while the built-in Wi-Fi allows for seamless smartphone control through the MYQ app. No more fumbling for remotes. And if the power goes out, no worries. The integrated battery backup ensures you can still access your garage whenever you need to. Pros: space-saving design, ultra-quiet operation, smartphone connectivity via MYQ app, integrated battery backup for power outages, and remote LED lighting options for enhanced visibility. Cons: installation may require some basic DIY skills, and the remote LED lighting pods are sold separately, adding to the overall cost. Next, Power Pet Large Electronic Pet Door PX2 from High-Tech Pet. This innovative motor-driven door opens automatically when your furry friend approaches, thanks to an ultrasonic collar that only activates the door when your pet is directly in front of it, not when they're just wandering by or taking a nap nearby. It features a 4-way access control, giving you the flexibility to choose between in-only, out-only, full access, or closed and locked, ensuring your home stays secure. With a weatherproof design and airtight seal, this door is built to withstand the elements, plus it boasts an automatic deadbolt locking system for added peace of mind. Pros: automatic hands-free operation, directional sensing for precise activation, versatile access control options, weatherproof design, and enhanced security features with deadbolt locking. Cons: installation may require some technical know-how. The ultrasonic collar collar must be purchased separately, and it's a larger investment compared to standard pet doors. That's enough for today. Share your thoughts and comments about this video. Let's meet in these videos. Be happy and stay safe.